This message is transmitted at the request of Her Majesty and Public Health of England. Variants of rabies, known as Rhabdomyxovirus A, arrived in the United Kingdom through rescue flights from Mexico. This disease causes general malaise, headache, fatigue, muscle spasms, irritability, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, hallucinations and violent tingling. More than 7,000 cases of this disease have already been reported. A quarantine has been established throughout England due to this. This disease has brought Mexico down and is now spreading throughout Europe. Keep abreast of the situation.